Among the faceless channels, there is one niche which is known by many, but they don't know the actual potential of growth in this category. And one of them from that category is kids' education channels, in which you get to see mostly videos related to alphabets, animals, colors, shapes, etc. All these are related to kids' education. These videos are mostly in cartoon form so that children can enjoy watching the videos, and they can also learn new things. And as I said earlier in the video, if you want to know how powerful and popular this category can be, then see this channel. By uploading only 9 videos, this channel has gained more than 2.5 lakh subscribers. You can also see the views on the videos yourself. Every video has thousands and millions of views, and this is mostly a channel related to kids' education. And there are many such channels like this channel, Cartoon Network, Nick, Choo Choo TV. Hardly any child or their parents would not know this channel. And you can also see their subscribers. Whatever channels of this category you see, you will get at least 1 million subscribers, or at least above 500,000. And if you think that kids' educational channels are not monetized, then let's talk about their earnings. Each of these channels is earning thousands of dollars per month as per Social Blade, and when the videos get a lot of views, then there will definitely be earnings. So you can now guess, by looking at these numbers, how quickly you can grow and make good money in this category on YouTube. And making these videos are not that difficult. It is very easy, and if you don't believe me, then I will show you a step-by-step guide in this video on how to make these videos in less than 10 minutes, and that too for 100% free. So don't skip any step. Let's begin. So the first step is that we need a script for our video. Now if you want, you can write the script yourself. But why should we work so hard when we have ChatGPT? So we will make kids' education video on different fruit names, and we need a script related to this. So I have given a prompt to ChatGPT and asked it to give the complete script, and from here we will get the complete script. I will give you this prompt in the description below. You can copy it from there and modify the same prompt a little bit. If you want a script on alphabets, colors, shapes, animals, anything, then you can get it made from ChatGPT. Okay, so the script is ready. Now let's move on to the next step, which is voiceover. To do the voiceover, we will use 11 Labs. If you want, you can do your own voiceover, or you can also use 11 Labs. Both the options are perfect. So we will copy whatever script we have got from ChatGPT and paste it in 11 Labs here. Choose any one voice and generate the voiceover and download it. Now like here, we have different fruits which we want to tell about it in the video. Then I use a different voice over for each fruit so that the video becomes more engaging and the viewer enjoys it even more. So I will paste the script for each fruit and have a different voice over. I will generate and download it in different voices. This is an optional step. If you want, you can use only a single voice, but if you use different voices, then this will be useful to you in the next step also, which I will show further. So I have downloaded all the voiceovers from here. Now let's move on to the next step. Now you have to come to this site named Adobe Express. Link is in the description below. You can also use this from your phone. It's 100% free. Here you need to sign up first if you haven't created your account before. Post login. You need to come to this page. Here on the sidebar, you will find the options to choose character, size, and background, as you can see. Right now, we will only use character option. So you will find different categories for characters, key, food, creatures, emojis, etc. But right now, we will use human option. So you have to choose any one character and then select the size of that character. Adjust accordingly. If you want to make it big or small, then after this, we have to add the voice over to this character, which we have already created from 11 Labs. So by clicking on the Browse option here, first of all, I will add the intro voiceover. I will upload it because I've made different voiceovers, and if you have made only a single voiceover for the entire video, then you can also upload the entire file at once. After that, the video will be generated and given to us in 10 to 20 seconds. Hey there, lil learners! Welcome to our Fruit Fun Feast show, where fruits come to life and share their amazing stories with you. Now we will download it from here. You have to generate all the videos in green screen background, only so that further we can remove the background of this video easily. Now in the same way, I will choose another character here and then upload another voice over here and then generate that video and download it. In this way, you can create as many types of characters as you want by making a video and download it. If you want to use different characters in your video, and if not, then you can make the entire video with a single character and a single voice over. It is your choice. So I have downloaded all the videos from here, and now let us go to the final step, which is canva.com. So after coming to Canva, first of all, you have to click on Create a Design and select the size of the video. You can also make it in shorts if you want. I have selected YouTube video size as of now. Then after that, go to Sidebar Uploads option and upload all the videos here, which we downloaded from Adobe. If it's only one video, then upload that, or if you have multiple videos like in my case, then you have to upload all the videos. Now after this, first of all, we will add a background in our design. Then this background will be only for intro. Go to Elements in the sidebar and search for Cartoon Fruits, because our video is related to fruits, and select any video from here and add it to your design. As you can see, now go to Uploads in the sidebar and then first select the intro video and add it to the design. Now first of all, we have to remove the green screen from this video, so you can also do this in Canva if you have Canva Pro, or else you can do it in any free app like KineMaster, VN App, or CapCut. You can remove the background by using the chroma key. I have just removed its green screen with the background remover in Canva itself. After this, I will slightly adjust the size and position of this character on the screen, as you can see. Well, now the intro part is completely set. Now we add a new page in it, and again go to Elements in the sidebar and search for Cartoon Background. And from here, you can choose any cartoon background and add it to your design. You will get many options of background here. Add whatever you like. We will add a new background in every page. Now after this, we will go to Uploads and add the next character video, and then remove the background of this video too, that is green screen. We will adjust the size and position of the character, as you can see. Now the names of all our fruits have started from this page. So the first fruit is apple. So go to Elements in the sidebar. We will search Cartoon Apple or Animated Apple. Then in Graphic, we chose Animated Apple. Now adjust the size of this graphic as per your requirement, big or small as you like. Then in the sidebar, add text option. Then add name of fruit like apple here. Just it as you like. You can add color, font, effects, animation of your choice, and then place the text on screen. Top, middle or bottom, left, right, wherever you want. And this page is complete. Now go to second page and add next fruit, which in our case is banana. Then add animation if you like separately. Add text and boom, this page is also complete. You have to do this in all the characters you have created. So now I have added everything here, and now this video is completely ready. Now in this video, we will also add transitions in between all the scenes, so that it becomes even better. The video gets a feel, and from here you select any one transition and apply it to all the pages, and it will also be completed. Now finally, you have to add another spice to it, and that is the background music, which you can add while uploading the video by using YouTube Music Library. Any cartoon background music will add a great feel to the video. Now I will play the video and show it you guys, and you can make a video on anything like alphabets, animals, body part, vegetables by following the same process while uploading the video. If you have any question or issue, you can comment and reach out to me on Instagram. Now enjoy the video.
Hey there, awesome kids! Welcome to our Fruity Friends Fiesta, where we're about to embark on a delicious adventure with our fruity buddies. Get ready to meet some amazing fruits and learn why they are not just tasty but super healthy too. Our first fruity friend is the one and only Apple. Hey kids, I'm Apple, the crunchy superstar of the fruit world. You know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. I'm packed with vitamins and fiber, making me the perfect snack for you. And guess what? I come in red, green, and yellow, a rainbow of flavors. Wow, that was cool. Now let's meet another fruity friend. It's time for banana. Hey little pals, I'm Banana, the potassium powerhouse. Eating me helps keep your heart happy and your energy up. Plus, I come in a natural wrapper, just peel and enjoy. Did you know monkeys love me too?